you talk about the components of UiPath, so we have the studio, we have assistant or robot, and we have orchestrator. So studio is like the playground where you will develop applications. So it's the IDE where you will develop the bots, and robot is like when you want to deploy it and run locally in the system, then you will use the robot assistant. When you talk about orchestrator is like a control room. So where you will publish all the bots, you will be able to manage the bots, you'll be able to put some versioning, you'll be able to add or remove users for accessing the bot, you'll be able to add machines to the bot, the work use that can be done in orchestrator. So whatever the controlling the bot, right? Every kind of we can schedule the bots. So all these things, other than development, whatever we do, all these kind of admin steps can be done in a web-based application called orchestrator. This orchestrator can be either deployed in cloud or can be deployed in on-premise as well. So they have a package which you can install. You can have it in your own server, or if you don't want to take that risk, so we can use the cloud-based URL that they will provide. And of course, everything will be going to the cloud. So these are the three main components of UiPath. And